Hi, welcome to the part of the budget where we work on finding a car. Okay, so what you have to do is, again, we're going to start just like we did with the house. We're going to start with a practice. Okay, so let me get my tool. That's a tool. All right, so transportation practice. So now we're finding how much we can afford each month. Okay, so average is about 18%. Economists suggested a 16%. So I'm going to just kind of go in the middle of that number, and I will find 17% of both for both. Okay, so again, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 17% times each of our ATIs up here. So we have 37,774. Oops, I forgot a 7. 37,774. And I'm going to multiply it by 17%, which is 0.17, equals 6,421. So actual dollar amount. Let's see if I'm going to look at my calculator again. Okay, so let's get 58, so we'll round it up. So 6,422. All right, and then so 6,422, divide that by 12. Okay, so it's about $535 a month. Okay, that's how much I can afford for both auto and or for the car and for insurance. Because you remember, if you have a car, you got to pay for both. Okay, so if I look, so I want to find. I'm decided. I'm going to try to find a new car. And, you know, I've always wanted a Volkswagen. Okay, and I've always wanted a Volkswagen Beetle. All right, my maximum price, we'll say, is $18,000. Okay, and I got to put in my zip code. We're at 48174 and search new. All right, so they have $18.95 is the start for a brand new one. Okay, so we don't necessarily, that may be more than what we can afford. So well, let's try it. So if I look down here, well, actually nobody's got one at 18. All right, so let's change the year maybe instead of, let's try used. So all right, I'm gonna do the Volkswagen again, Beetle. Search used.